we're just about to start our paint job, the Raptor Paint on the Amarok. So I'm just showing you all the stuff that we need for it. Obviously our safety gear and all our products and our Raptor spray gun. Probably most important is all the safety gear for this stuff. It's pretty brutal. So I'd just like to point out this very important bit of safety gear that I think you need to have. Now this has got two very important functions. One, I think it's very dangerous having a dry whistle. And two, if I totally F this job up, I'm just going to blame that.
Watched a YouTube video today about how to remove the badge off and apparently use fishing line. So I've got this stuff. What's this stuff called? Normal fishing line.
Mono.
And then this one's braided.
Yep.
Which one do you think will work best?
Braided.
Braided?
Although it's very heavy braid.
Mm.
I think that's 80 pound.
So it's working. Oh gosh, this is easy.
Something decent length.
Mm.
So you can get a soaring action going.
Ah, yeah. I had a quick peek on the tailgate on the other side. If you just bring it back, it's actually in amazing condition. Holy moly, that's just dusty.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that. We're going to get all precious again, aren't we? Okay, so I'm in charge of cleaning the rubbers, so I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, so we've got really caked in red dust, really. And this is what it's going to end up looking like. The stuff that I'm using, given a bit of a scrub because it is baked in red dirt, and then off she comes. This is what we wash both our cars in. It's so good. Okay, Saturday morning. It's lots of work. She's a dirty girl. Yeah, so you can see doing the inside of the door jambs. Still lots to do. Lots and lots. You look like a dentist.
So are they reverse sensors?
Are they what?
All the reverse sensors
They're already undone.
Oh my gosh. That red stuff.
Sand in there and get it to wherever you can see and wherever any chips are going to hit it, any stones are going to hit it. So we can get our hand down in there and get that done, Huh?
Okay, bull bar is coming off.
Can you pass me a big screwdriver?
Big screwdriver. Where do they live?
going on, Mia?
Taking up, trying to get the angles just right.
Yep.
Challenge.
We're starting to taper up. We're just about to start our paint job, the Raptor Paint on the Amarok. So I'm just showing you all the stuff that we need for it. Obviously our safety gear and all our products and our Raptor spray gun. Probably most important is all the safety gear for this stuff. It's pretty brutal. So I'd just like to point out this very important bit of safety gear that I think you need to have. Now this has got two very important functions. One, I think it's very dangerous having a dry whistle. And two, if I totally F this job up, I'm just going to blame that. Here we go. We're just minutes away from spraying the car now. All the prep work is done.
Let's get the chip out of the shot.
Don't waste it. It's camp clean.
Nom nom. Wow. I'm actually surprised that it's so glittery.
So 100 mils of tint. This is our actual paint code, Starlight Blue. So we'll get 100 mils of that. And what's this? 237 mils hardener. Look at that steady hand. We were actually going to put this in the lathe and spin her up on the lathe and shake it up, but I got told off.
How about I'll do the shake and you get dressed?
I like it when it goes over here like that.
Like this one here. Yep.
What's the working time for each one?
An hour.
Okay, so she's coming along. Starting to look like a car again. Oh, look at those lines. Woo! Bull bar and tailgate. It's looking like we might be running a little bit low on paint, so I'm just doing the outside for now of the tailgate, and I'm going to leave the tub. I was considering doing the tub black anyway, so this needs another coat. You can see all that undercoat still shining through. So the other side's had one extra coat compared. I've had to put it on pretty thick actually. Thicker than I thought I was going to have to, but yeah, it's coming along. 2 more cans left.
Here it is. I had to leave yesterday when only the first coat was on, so this is the first time I'm seeing it, and I'm so impressed. It was worth the effort taking all the bits off, wasn't it, honey?
Yeah, it looks professional.
Yeah.
Except for the bonnet.
Have a look at that. Need more paint to finish off the tray. Car looks brand new again.
All the dents are gone.
So let's have a, I don't know if the lighting's good here. Now this thing looks brand spanking new. Sorry, the light's not great. But that's it. This is what he's talking about with the bonnet.
It's bad, eh? It's really bad from this side.
Yeah, now in the light of day.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get more. It's easy to take the bonnet off.
Yeah. Yep. Oh well, it's not bad for a first try,
Yeah.
is it? Well, I'm gonna love you and leave you, honey. I've got to go to work. And I'll just leave you to finish off putting everything back together again.
No worries.
Oh man, it's a task.
Yep.
Tail lights, chrome bar, the interiors of the doors, the handles, blinkers. I think the biggest challenge of all is going to be getting the big guy on, because that's heavy.